Hi everybody. This is a very common problem for Sony digital cameras. The shutter sticks and it's very difficult. It's very expensive to replace or to fix it, almost like the cost of the new camera. So I'm gonna show you the way how it works. Anyway, you're gonna throw the camera into the garbage. So take some knife or some sharp object and cut this plastic crap from here very carefully, not to damage the camera. Okay. Carefully. Okay, what we have now? Oh. Okay. This is not the perfect way to fix camera, but it's free and you can do it yourself. At least the camera is gonna work for some time. Full-size image. Good luck.